Good morning, children. In this video, we will continue Chapter 11, Our Natural Resources. Already in two videos, we have studied about the gifts of nature, about resources and their types. There are two types of resources, natural resources and human made resources. And this chapter is related to natural resources. During last time, we have studied about types of natural resources, and in that we have studied about exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources are those which can't be created again, means they are non-renewable resources. Coal and petroleum are important exhaustible resources, and today we will continue with inexhaustible resources. Some natural resources do not get exhausted. These are called inexhaustible resources. Means we can use them again. Means they don't get exhausted. वो finish नहीं होते, ख़त्म नहीं होते. These are called inexhaustible resources. Solar energy, air, water, plants and animals are a few examples. These are the examples of inexhaustible resources. Like solar energy we get from sun, air, wind, water, plants, animals. They all are inexhaustible resources. They can be renewed, means they can be used again and again. So these are called renewable resources. They can be used again and again, they can be renewed, so that is why they are called renewable resources. Now the energy of the sun is called solar energy, means the energy which we get from the sun is called solar energy. Plants make food using this energy, means sun solar energy is the main source of food for plants. It is used to light streets, cook, heat water and generate electricity. These are the other uses of solar energy. Now air. Air is an important natural resource. All living things need air to live. Wind is used to generate electricity, means without air we can't live. All living things like human beings, animals, they all need air to live. And by using wind we generate electricity also for our use. Now water. Water is needed for drinking, washing, cooking, growing crops and many other purposes. Means water is also very important resource, because we need water to drink, for washing clothes, utensils, for cooking food, growing crops and other purposes also. Electricity generated from falling water is called hydroelectricity. In dams, electricity generated by uh, falling water from great height, and that type of energy is called hydroelectricity. Plants give us food to eat and oxygen to breathe. Plants, they give us food, and plants take carbon dioxide and they give oxygen, which is necessary for human beings. Almost all animals depend upon plants for food. Trees prevent soil erosion and give shelter to many animals. This is why plants are called green gold. Means plant gives food, they give oxygen, they prevent soil erosion and they give shelter to animals. That these are the things which plant give us. That is why plants are called green gold. Green gold. Plants are called green gold. Soil is needed to grow plants, fertile soil and good for crops. Soil is needed to grow plants, means without soil we can't grow crops. And fertile soil मीन्स जो मिट्टी भूमि के लिए अच्छी होती है इज़ गुड फॉर क्रॉप्स, वो खेती के लिए भी अच्छी होती है।